Welcome. If you've accidentally blocked someone on Snapchat or just changed your mind, don't worry, it's super easy to unblock them. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can reconnect in just a few taps. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are accessible. Next, find the Settings menu. You'll see a small gear icon in the top right corner of your profile screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Snapchat keeps all the important controls for your account. Now, scroll down through the settings until you reach a section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second to find, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Under this section, tap on Blocked Users. This will open a list of everyone you've blocked on Snapchat. Here comes the final step. Look through the list and find the person you want to unblock. Once you spot their name, tap on it. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision. Just